One of the first projects that I worked on when I came to the agency was the street design manual. And there really wasn't a sort of guidebook for how to design city streets for New York. Although the book it was meant to be kind of generally applicable to many places, it's very specifically about New York. And it has some of the things that we thought about initially, which is, how do you plan a street? How do you rearrange the geometry? How do you rearrange the curbs? What kind of materials can you use? What are you going to permit? I mean, we would walk around and look at sidewalk conditions. We went on field trips all over the city to do research for this, and you'd see just terrible things that are buckling sidewalks, or 10 different materials. You walk down a block and you could tell where each building property line stopped and started because everybody had kind of done something slightly different. How plants were integrated into the sidewalk, how different types of curbs, all of the things that you encounter when you walk around that you don't even think about. How lights integrate into the streetscape. And it was the first time we had actually cataloged all of the different lights that are in the city. There were probably 20 to 30 varieties of historic fixtures, which had sort of come down through, since the early 20th century. So we looked at all of those things and said, okay, well, we should simplify this. We should limit the options and then make people sort of be creative with more limited options. People love this. They loved having it. It was became a sort of national model. Lots of different cities have. Boston has a great street design manual. So cities all over the country kind of came out with their version of it. So it's been, I think it's been really useful in terms of, as we build the streets, change them to make it more consistent, more aesthetically kind of unified, and also safety and all of the planning for bike lanes, different types of mobility.